You know, they're just animals. They're products. These damn hippies. They want to ban the gestation crates and farrowing crates, cutting into our profits. Yeah. You know what else they're doing? They keep trying to get in and film our businesses. They're trying to get jobs at our factory. They're trying to get jobs at our farms. We can't let them in. We gotta screen better. We can't let the customers see this shit. They won't like it, and our profits will suffer, man.
Yeah.
Next, they'll want to ban the farrowing crates, the antibiotics, the force breeding, the castrating, the tail and ear docking. It never ends. But we won't let that happen. It'll cost us money. You know what's gonna happen, alright? They're gonna turn more of these people into fucking vegan hippies. If they see what's going on in here. So guys, I've been thinking, maybe we can reach out to some politicians to help us more. Good idea. We got one good thing on our side. Most people like bacon more than they like protecting the goddamn animals. Gotta keep them saying, that bacon. Gotta keep them stupid and eating our shit up. Damn it. We gotta maximize our profits. That's all that matters, alright? Let's get to work, come on. We gotta do better. Gotta do more marketing, too. Marketing.